Welcome to Smart Money, your home for all things related to making money the smart way. Today we are going to list 9 ways to boost your savings and work towards your goal of making $1 million with only a $100 investment. Let's face it, we don't all make millions of dollars a year, and the chances are slim that most of us will inherit a huge sum of money. That isn't to say we won't be able to accumulate significant wealth. It will just take some time. If you're young, time is on your side, and you can still retire a millionaire. Okay, let's jump straight into the list and start your journey to $1 million.
Number 1. Create a business on Amazon. Spend $100 on a business education. Begin with free online information from well-known business executives, then read as many books as you can from those who relate to you. Next, discover a product that you can buy for 10% to 30% less on Alibaba.com than you can sell it for on Amazon. Look for products with a bestsellers rank of 1 to 5,000 in the high-level categories to locate products that sell well. To get another $500 to buy your goods, you can save, hustle, or borrow. To promote the product, try a variety of marketing tactics, such as social media, internet advertising, and content marketing. Then quit doing the things that aren't working and start doing the things that are. Focus on improving your profit margin and the quantity of products you sell to expand your business. You eventually want to own the brand so that you can have a valued asset that generates income. Number 2. Items from a garage sale can be bought and sold. Look for bargains at garage sales, such as action figures or plush animals. Then look at the sold listings on eBay to discover how much they're worth. Buy it and sell it on eBay for a profit if the price differential is high enough. Use the remaining $100 to pay for transportation and shipping. You could be thinking to yourself, but that's not going to make $1 million. And you're most likely correct. However, if you work hard enough, you can make at least $100,000. Then there's the difficult part. You must keep what you have created. I didn't go on vacations or buy expensive items when I was in my 20s. Instead, I decided to save my money. I had hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time I was in my 30s. Then I put those hundreds of thousands of dollars to work, and they turned into millions. All you have to do now is wait. Number 3. Make an investment in something you enjoy. It's not easy to amass wealth. You must either diligently save, make a large profit on a commercial venture, or invest. Saving a lot more than you believe is required to achieve true security. It's also costly to keep a business growing after it's become a success. That is why I would invest. Find a group of people you can trust and pool your $100 with theirs to make a well-informed, yet assertive, investment. Invest in what you already know, and have a plan of action for it. You can even put your emotions into it. When it comes to real estate, I always choose a location where I would live if everything went wrong. Whatever method you use, make sure it's something you enjoy. I believe that if you are passionate about something, you will excel at it. Number 4. Pick a high-paying skill to learn. If you don't have enough money to start a business, don't do it. Spend your $100 on books and training to master a skill that will earn you $10,000 or more per month. Choose a high-paying expertise that aids in revenue generation for businesses, such as copywriting, marketing, or sales. They're simple to learn and transfer to a variety of businesses. You can transform your side hustle into a full-time job once you've made enough money. Then scale your business and invest your profits. That is how true wealth is created. You'll get there if you're persistent and good at what you do. But don't expect it to happen overnight. Instead, take small steps. Number 5. Invest in yourself and improve yourself. Sure, some people have made a fortune by investing in the right opportunity at the right moment. You would have done well if you had invested $100 in Bitcoin in 2010. But that strikes me as akin to playing the lottery. Investing $100 on a course, book, audio program, or event that will help you develop yourself is a more reliable method to get rich. Spend it on learning new skills, expanding your knowledge, and forging strong connections. You can't go wrong when you invest in yourself. Number 6. Use other people's money to buy a multimillion-dollar business. If you're willing to buy an existing business, you don't even need $100. Many baby boomers are looking for a dependable person to take over their multimillion-dollar enterprises so they can retire. Negotiating a contract where you pay only 30% of the purchase price at closing is usual. Because they can use the business assets as collateral, financial institutions that specialize in acquisitions will offer you the down payment regardless of your credit. You buy the company with no money down and pay the remaining 70% through profits from the company over time. You don't even need relevant experience. All you need is a company that has been in operation for 5 or 10 years. The owner will coach you through the changeover, and you can offer an expert equity to operate the business for you. Why isn't this something that everyone does? Because it looks more exciting to start the next Uber or Facebook than to purchase expert services or businesses, for example, in construction or plumbing. However, by taking this technique, you can avoid the problems that cause 90% of startups to fail. Number 7. Publish an ebook. I paid $100 to have my first ebook. It took less than a week to make, and all I had to do was write the copy. Since then, it's been selling on its own, and I've made at least $100,000 as a result. It was surprisingly simple. Write a book using your knowledge and resources. Then, for $100, hire a designer from a global freelance network, such as Upwork, to make it look great, and use an affiliate marketing program to entice people to sell it for you. Simply contact the websites that appear when you search for your ebook topic on Google. Offer to pay them a percentage of any purchases they bring you. You don't even need a website when you use their traffic and the trust they've earned with their audience. Number 8. Start a coaching business. Spend your $100 on acquiring abilities that make you an expert. Then start a coaching, consulting, or mentoring business in your area of expertise. This strategy is popular for a variety of reasons, including the fact that it is quick, successful, and requires little investment because the only expense is your time. When you've generated a profit from your business, use the money on Facebook ads to attract more customers. You can turn that investment into tens of thousands of dollars if you're good at what you do. Automate part of the coaching and hire other coaches to help you reach the $1 million goal. Number 9. Create your own personal brand. Today, entrepreneurship is the sexiest thing on the planet, and everyone wants to be a part of it. As an influencer or a business, you can make millions by developing your own brand. However, owing to social media, everybody can have a voice, making it difficult to be heard over the din. With so many brands pushing online offers, the key to success is to develop a trustworthy one. To do so, you'll need a clear mission statement that explains what you're trying to do and how it will benefit others. This message should be based on how you dealt with challenges in your own life. People will only support you if they understand why you do what you do and believe in your objective. Create a video that explains your story, then spend $100 on Facebook advertisements to get it in front of individuals who are similar to you and may be in a similar circumstance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video.